What is up, guys? I am Rich Trippin.
And I'm Tiffany.
And we are two Americans who explored the UK and we fell in love, didn't we?
Yes, it's changed our lives.
We fell in love with the history, we fell in love with the culture, and we fell in love with the food. But we learned that the food can sometimes be monstrosities. Okay, UK viewers, I know what you're thinking. Why would he call all food monstrosities? Just look up the definition of monstrosity. It's usually referred to as like a building or something, but it's just something that's constructed that's just not really pleasing to the eyes. And to be fair, that's a lot of your food, but does that mean it's not delicious?
No, it does not.
No, it definitely does not mean it's not delicious. And that is what we're here to talk about in this new series, British Monstrosities. We are gonna recreate some of the British food that looks terrible and see if it tastes good. That's why we have a potato. Ireland is not part of Britain. Get that out of the way really quick. Just thought that'd be fair. We actually do have another Irish product, but when we was buying these products, we was trying to get close to the most British things as possible. What are we cooking? Well, for that, you gotta check this out. Yeah, we'll show him.
No, come right up. You okay? Cheese and chili. We getting? You want everything on it? So one with cheese and tuna mayo with chili sauce. Yeah. At you, Clan. How are you finding it? Okay. Chili on here, bit of beans, bit of coleslaw, tuna as well, yeah. Do you want crispy onion shram sauce? Whoa, this is very heavy. We're back. I am so sorry about that. I'll probably sell out in another 20 minutes, you know what I mean?
That was the Spud Bros. They are a TikTok sensation with their weird potato stuff. Now, they make a few different types of them, and we picked out a few that we thought would be very interesting to check out. We picked out a curry, chili con carne, which in America we just call it chili.
Yeah.
And baked beans, and you know how much I love baked beans from England.
I feel like the baked beans one is probably the most popular.
I would say that.
I don't know.
Now, we tried to get as much as we can that was of British or UK. I'm pretty sure Bachelor's Beans is an Irish brand. I don't think it's a British brand. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. I don't know. Wolf brand chili, most tackiest chili you can buy in the United States. I found this at Walmart. It's a Scottish,
Cheddar?
yeah, it's a Scottish cheddar. It says it's imported, and I didn't think we could import dairy, which leads us to our last one, which I do believe that British cheeses and stuff and butter is better.
British
and,
dairy.
Yeah, they're dairy products all over the UK, but this is Irish. It's milk from Irish grass-fed cows. Now, I don't know if they mean an actual Irish cow from Ireland or like the bunch of Americans over here who just claim Irish blood. I've never spoke to the cows. I've never heard their accent. I don't know what they talk like. These potatoes are from America. These are American potatoes. I don't really know if I know there's like subtle differences between an American potato and a UK potato. A UK potato is a little bit more organic. They might not get the size of an American potato, and an American potato tends to have back knee, constant mood swings, heart issues, and tends to be oversized. And those are the difference between our potatoes. Let's get started. So I feel the stove is blazing hot behind me because we got them potatoes roasted. We just wrapped them in tin foil, put them to 425 I'll mark what's, you know, what that is on British. But we got to cook the fillings. The fillings. I don't know. I'm going to make tons of references to Barry Lewis.
Hello, everybody.
Because I love Barry Lewis. I think he's a great blogger. If you don't know him, check him out. He is one of the best British YouTubers ever. So what we're going to do, I noticed there was meat in the chicken, but I think they use chicken from a can. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry some of this pre-frozen chicken breast. And I feel like the theme of this is to kind of keep it like as commercially as possible, because that seems like what they do. And we're going to put this into a pot and we're going to, you know, warm it up. And I think we're going to just keep it the traditional British way. We're going to nuke it. Just nuke half a can of beans, maybe some toast on the side.
I don't want to.
Just not really a way to make that look pretty.
So we're gonna use this one because it's fajita flavored, so maybe it'll be closer to Indian flavor. And the Spud roast seems like they just use a lot of commercialized stuff, so we're hoping this one will be good and it'll be spicier or have more flavor to it. Am I getting a bowl?
Yeah. Then you put the tin in the refrigerator for tomorrow's breakfast. Now, we are using a Patek's original curry because this was on the import aisle next to the British food. Is this something you guys use? I don't know, but it's a mild curry and they just say curry chicken. So I'm probably gonna have to break that chicken up a little bit because it looks a little bit big to be on top of it. What if I just cut and open that right there and I was just sitting there twisting that. So I'm just gonna pour the curry over. Could be a good, could be a shit, I don't know. Now, this is what I mean. This is like, look at that. Look, British monstrosity. But the British just has this special way of just making things come together and just be. And I'm hoping that I have that same touch where this could be bad. A little curry powder and a little bit of garam masala, just to kind of step up the plate a little bit. Now I'm just trying to break up the chicken a little bit because I want it. Their chicken looked really small. So, and the potato's not that big. So I want to break it down to where you get little bite-sized chunks of the chicken. What do you think the chances, what do you think your favorite one's gonna be?
Mine?
Yeah.
I got higher hopes for the curry one.
Really?
Yeah, I know I'm not going to be a fan of the beans ones because I don't like beans. I know what a normal one tastes like. And what was the other one we were doing?
The other one's just a standard American.
Chili.
Oh, the chili one. I feel like you'll like the chili one possibly because that's just like a.
Yeah, it's probably going to be.
It's probably like the most American, besides the American one we're making.
Between the chili and the curry.
All right.
What one do you think?
I don't know. Because they're very, to be honest with you, I see the beans changing my life.
Yeah, I think you're going to go.
Because like we got the one cheese and they have one cheese. And that's why I'm wondering if they actually, used a cheddar cheese. Because that one cheese seems like, okay, it'll be good with the beans. It'll be good with this. But is it going to be good with the actual curry? Mm-hmm. Like is cheddar going to go good with curry? Because I don't think I've ever had cheese with curry before. That's what's throwing me off. I know it'll go good with the, you know, the standard one because that's what's on it, but yeah. So I'd say everything's properly warmed. So we'll set it off.
Let's do this. Beans.
It just looks like a pile of goo.
This is the
Chili.
chili.
Yeah.
Now we got our station set up and our potatoes are done, so let's get this started. Nice.
Here it is. Our first British monstrosity. We got to figure out how it tastes. We got one constant in this experiment, which is this one right here, which is the American version. So which one do you want to try first? Oh, our chili con carne one just kind of fell apart a little bit, so it's all right.
I say we do the chili one first.
Okay.
It's falling apart.
All right. Get some cheese and some potato. I put a lot of butter in there.
All right.
We need some napkins.
That one is good.
Yeah, that one's really good. That one is really, really good. And I'm gonna end up getting this on my shirt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the beans. I have high hopes for the beans. I hope they're good because I just love beans. See, that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I am talking about. That looked so gross. It's so good. Who would want to eat that? I do. That's who. You don't really taste the beans. It becomes this whole new flavor.
I guarantee it. And I guarantee
it's so good. It balances so well with the cheese. Oh my God, that is so good.
I feel like I know a lot of people who really like that. What is this one? The curry one?
Yeah, it's a curry one.
There's so much green. Think there's chicken on there? Yeah, right?
Probably. Okay. Yeah, it's chicken.
Hot.
What do you just do over there? I feel like in America, if you made a truck with these things, like the Spud Bros in America, you'd just be taking everything to another level.
I say, let's do it. You're being in New York City, walking up and getting this. Like,
on Wednesday.
Yeah, it's freezing outside.
Blow your mind.
Hot potato.
I don't even care about this one really.
I love sour cream, sorry, but I do.
Oh, I know it's good. It's just, is it good? Is it the best one on the table?
Sadly, no. You know, I love sour cream.
This literally just ends with us just eating it and just shutting up.
Yeah, because I forgot about you guys. This is just too fun. When we first started making this video, I didn't think I was gonna enjoy these that much because I really wasn't that hungry and it was just like, eh.
We're gonna set up, okay.
Potatoes, but.
It would be a really cool idea to do what we just did right here and set it up, invite your friends over, and literally make your own Spud Brothers at home.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna do that. This was great. And it looked so weird setting it up. It really is like a British monstrosity. It's so good. It is so, so good. Check us on Discord. If you like the video, like it. If you want to see us do more British monstrosities, because there is so much more, let us know. I am Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this was Spud Brothers, whatever pile of mush that was delicious. Like and subscribe.